everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video from your girl Kissy. And today what I'm going to cook for you in the kitchen, I'm going to do glazed pigtail. So here I have about 2 pounds of pigtail. It's already cut. I'm going to wash it and then I'm going to put it to boil some of the salt out. So I put a pigtail to boil, so I'm boiling out some of the salt. I wash it just now with some vinegar and I squeeze some lime in it to get most of the salt out. So over here I have some rice, so I'm going to make some rice with my glazed pigtail. So I'm going to wash my rice. I normally wash my rice like twice to get out most of the starch. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use inside my glazed barbecue sauce, barbecue pigtail. So I'm going to make a sauce to put the pigtail in the sauce. So I'm going to use barbecue sauce. I'm going to use jerk seasoning. You have to put some soy sauce, some red wine, sugar of course, a little granulated sugar, strawberry syrup, 1 cup orange juice, some ketchup, cornstarch, and I'm gonna put some pineapple pepper sauce, and over here I have some all-purpose seasoning, and I have some Maggi seasoning right here. I have some ginger, and I also have some pimento, some ground pimento. I don't have the pimento seeds, so I'm using the ground pimento. And these are basically all my ingredients I'm going to use to make my sauce. So I made this recipe already, but I didn't make a video. So today I'm going to show you how I make my glazed pigtail, and I got this recipe from Auntie Dana. Yeah, Auntie Dana. So over here I have the pigtail in the pressure cooker. I'm going to pressure it for a bit. I don't put the top on as yet because it makes too much noise. So as you can see, my pot is already on the stove. I'm going to put my 1 cup of orange juice. I'm going to add some red wine. I'm going to drop some ginger. So I'm going to put in some ketchup. Just use your discretion how much you want to put in. I'm going to put in some sweet chili sauce. I'm going to put some pineapple pepper sauce. Soy sauce. So I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. A little pinch of salt. And guys, I'm using sea salt. I'm going to add some sugar, some granulated sugar, and I'm going to stir. I'm going to add in my strawberry jam. You can use your discretion of how many portions you want to put into your sauce to make your sauce, because basically you're making your own sauce. So I'm going to add my jerk sauce in like a spoon because it's really spicy. I'm going to add in my all-purpose season, but guys, you can put your own season. It doesn't have to be all-purpose. You can put your own season for the taste that you want. So this is all-purpose, and keep on stirring because you want everything to blend in. Wow, it smells so good and it's not finished as yet. Wow. I'm gonna add my pimento powder. I don't have the pimento seed, but I'm using just the powder. So guys, I'm gonna put some Maggi seasoning, and keep on stirring. My god, this tastes so nice. Oh my god. So I'm gonna add some water to it. like half cup of water. So right here now I'm gonna add some grease browning, just a touch. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna let this boil for like say 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my cornstarch to it. So now I'm gonna add my cornstarch. Mix out the cornstarch in little water. So I'm adding my cornstarch in. My god, this thing smells so nice. The sauce smells so nice, and it's not even finished as yet. You can taste all the ingredients. So basically what I used to make my sauce, I already showed you guys. I put 1 cup of orange juice, some red wine, cornstarch, barbecue sauce, ketchup, strawberry jam. If you don't have strawberry jam, you can use corn syrup. And I put my seasoning. You can use your different type of powder seasoning that you want to put inside of it. I use browning, I use soy sauce, I use some pineapple sauce, I use my jerk sauce, and I use some sweet chili sauce in it. So that's how I made my glazed barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna leave it to boil for like 5 more minutes, and then I will come back and show you guys the next step. See, the sauce is already finished. Look at this. It smells so nice and it tastes so good. And over here my pigtail is cooked. So I'm going to show you guys next what I'm going to do next. So that's the sauce. So there's my cooked pigtail. So I'm going to put the sauce over it, and I'm going to put it in the oven for like 10 minutes. So now I'm going to pour the sauce over on the pigtail. So now I add the sauce to it. So I'm going to put it in the oven for like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to put the oven on like 350 degrees. So I'm going to leave it there like for 10, as I said, 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Even though the pigtail already cooked, but you want to put it in there to get the sauce to thicken. So there you go. It's in the oven. There you go. So I will be right back to show you guys the finishing touch of my glazed pigtail. Go after 15 minutes in the oven. That's the finishing of the glazed pigtail. So I'm going to plate it and let you guys see the finishing of my glazed pigtail. Look at all that sauce. The sauce is so juicy and nice. Okay, so that's the finished dish of my glazed pigtail. So you can like, subscribe, comment down below and tell me what you think about my glazed pigtail. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.